Alright guys, here we go. Good afternoon everyone. Here's the COVID-19 map, statistics for the state of Wyoming. There's 709 lab confirmed cases. 562 of those cases are recovered. There's 212 probable cases. 173 of those are recovered. And there has been 17 deaths in the state. Okay, on to Johns Hopkins with the global numbers now. There's over 6.713 million confirmed cases in the world. In the U.S., there's a little over 1.89 million in the U.S. alone. Global deaths have reached 393,709, and in the U.S. there's 108,920 deaths. Okay, on to some local news. The National High School Finals Rodeo will not be returning to Wyoming this year. They have decided to go to Guthrie, Oklahoma, and right now it's scheduled for July 17th through the 23rd at Lazy E Arena. There was a black bear euthanized in Evanston. That's kind of wild. Wyoming Game and Fish euthanized a black bear in Evanston on Wednesday, June 3rd, after the bear received multiple food rewards and showed little fear of human presence. That's just not good, not safe, having him around all those people, or her. I don't know if it was a female or male. YDOT's going to close 10 rest areas to save money with budget cuts throughout the state. And lastly, extremely local, RSPD supports right to protest peacefully. Guys, this is a big deal. There's a lot of stuff going on in our country right now, and I think it's good that our police department is speaking out on it and at least letting their stance be known to the public, to us. So I'll just read a little bit of this article to you guys. The Rock Springs Police Department is working with local protesters to answer questions about law enforcement and demonstrate their support of peaceful protests. Members of the RSPD also criticized the actions and inactions that led to the death of George Floyd while in police custody. The RSPD was notified of a local protest on Monday, June 1st, and met with the coordinator, Andy Nations. She communicated that a protest would take place Sunday, June 6th, from noon to 3 p.m. in downtown Rock Springs area, specifically F and 2nd Street. She further advised the protest would have a follow-up candlelight visual in Bunning Park on the same day. According to the press release, these protests were to bring awareness to the events that happened in Minneapolis. The following day, Pacheco was contacted by Nations, who advised that the event had been changed to a 4-day event starting Friday and ending Monday. And the vigil is still at the same time. It's from 7 to 9 p.m. Sunday at Bunning Park. So if you guys would like to attend that, there's the time for you. And they are, if you would like to exercise your First Amendment right in peaceful protest, they're protesting from noon to 5 p.m., I believe, tomorrow through Monday, and even this afternoon still. I appreciate the Rock Springs Police Department taking, at least letting their feelings on this situation known, and, having dialogue with the peaceful protesters, and, kind of getting, feelings out there so people know where everybody stands. I think it's a great move by the police department, and hopefully everything continues to go smooth, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Bad news for the weekend, though. Let's look at the weather here. I was looking at the weather. I got big plans this weekend. Big plans. Alrighty. And they might get kind of, they won't get ruined. I'll still go out and do what I'm going to do. But Saturday, there's an 80% chance of rain. That's a bummer. And, a thunderstorm. 90% chance of thunderstorms on Sunday. But, well, that's about it. It's 88 degrees. today. Or that was the high. I think it's like 86 right now. It's hot. It's supposed to be 65 on Saturday and 57 on Sunday. But high chance of precipitation. So if you don't mind the rain, some thunder, some lightning, go out there and enjoy your weekend. If you don't like the rain, thunder, or lightning, maybe read a book. Yeah. Go to the library, because that opened on Monday. Rent a book, bam, read it over the weekend. Alright, everybody, have a good weekend, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your Friday.